Hi everyone, welcome to day 3. I hope you're enjoying the series so far. So today we are looking at another template. We're looking at the whiteboard template. I am a big believer in the power of templates and how they can help your business. It means it lightens your mental load. You make this template once and then you roll it out continuously over and through your business. They're also a really great mechanism to allow junior team members to come into your business really seamlessly because they are a step-by-step guide and you don't need to do as much hand holding, which is really important. So let's get started. So today, the first thing we're going to do is start the time tracking. Now, I'm going to show you a different way to get to the ticket to start the time tracking today. So yesterday we started it from the studio whiteboard, but we also have project whiteboards. So the studio whiteboard is showing you everything across all of your projects, so all of your tickets, where the project whiteboard only shows you tickets relating to that project. So to get to the project whiteboard, simply navigate to the project list. Navigate to the project whiteboard. Now, as you can see, here we have all of our 30 days of success set up, ready for us to start tracking. So one thing I wanted to show you, so 30 days of success day 2, which was yesterday, we've completed that now. So we are able to drag that across into the done column. So here we are on day 3. So I'm going to assign that to myself so I can get the time tracking assign. And today I'm going to drag it into the in progress column and I'm going to start the task. Now that we have the time tracking started, let's move on to our task for today. So yesterday we set up our time tracking templates. And today we're going to set up another one of our templates. I am a big believer in templates. I think they really help you to get on top of your processes. It allows you to remove a lot of the mental load which can come about when you are trying to remember all of the things that as interior designers we need to. So I am a big believer in setting up templates. Spending 5-10 minutes to get them right the first time, and then it's just rinse and repeat. It also really allows you to set up a process easily for a team member. And I'll show you how that kind of process works once we've set up this template. So once again, navigate to the settings section, and we're going to go up to the template section up here. And this time we're going to go to the whiteboard templates. So to start with, the first thing you need to do is create your tasks. Now you might want to pick one task that you're setting up a template for. So let's say that you are setting up all of the things you need to do for a kitchen concept presentation. Now, for everyone, what you include in that is going to be slightly different, and how you break down each of the tasks will be slightly different. So I'd like you to spend 5 minutes to just think about what do you do every single time you put together a kitchen concept, and what are the tasks that go in to do that. Now, once you've got that list, I want you to make each one of those as a task. It's really simple. It's just a matter of add task and you type it there. Once you've got all of those tasks, we're then going to go to the button here, which is create whiteboard template. And you are going to name that template. So it might be kitchen concept meeting template or kitchen concept, however you want to name it. And then you simply go through and select the tasks that you've added into your task list. You go through and now add them into your template. Now, you've added all of those things, and then it's simply a matter of add whiteboard template. Now, if you click on the whiteboard tab up the top here, you will see that you get the list of all your templates here. Now, you're able to go in and edit the template simply by pressing on the button, the little pencil, sorry, and you get a list here, and you can just deselect the items that you want. So you might spend time really finessing these templates over time, and they're definitely not like a set and forget thing. You might come back and review them periodically. So now you've created the whiteboard template, we are able to go and add it into a project whiteboard. Okay, so now that we've created our whiteboard template, I want you to go back to your project list and pick a project for this exercise. Because you might not have one of your own projects set up, just choose your business project. Go into the project whiteboard and simply load whiteboard template. Select the template that you'd like to load into the whiteboard and load the template. Now you can deselect any of the ones. So for example, if you have a template and for this particular project you don't need, elevations, you can deselect that. So we're going to just load the template. Now, what ends up happening is those templates items get loaded into the to-do list. So as you can see here, we've got, they've come in really nicely. From there, you're able to do a couple of things. So for example, you can assign that ticket to a team member. And you're able to click into the ticket and leave some more details, attach documents, so that you can really keep that moving. So for example, you might want to write, client is looking for navy cabinetry. Please order samples from Porters. That is then creating that running dialogue of notes on that one particular ticket. So it's really easy for yourself and team members to keep track of what's going on. You're able to edit the ticket, the little note, and you can also delete it if needed be. You're able to attach PDFs easily to the documents, so the ticket here, which is just really getting you and your team into the habit of keeping notes and ideas in one spot for one place. What this means is that, once again, you're lightening the mental load. You're not having to spend time working out, well, hold on, where have we been talking about the finishes for this project? No flicking through a notebook. It's very easy to come to this spot quickly and know that everything's there. The other thing that you will start to see on this side of the note is, once you start using this ticket and tracking time, you'll see a log here of all the time that has been tracked against this ticket. Now that, once again, is really helping you get into the habit of, one, tracking your time, but also really starting to make those data-driven decisions, because you're able to see how long it is taking you to do specific things. So for an example, how you might use this information in your business. Say, for example, you are taking on a junior team member and you want to see how many hours you might need to employ them a week. And one of the things that they would be working on for you is collating finishing samples for projects. You're able to easily jump into this ticket that might be a work in progress, or you might have in the done file, but you're able to go in and say, oh, actually, over the last 3 or 4 projects I've been working on, I can see just from clicking into this ticket, it's taken me a couple of hours to collate the finished samples. So that's then giving you a bit of an idea of roughly how many hours you're going to be needing to take on the junior team member to help you with these kind of tasks. That's allowing you to project our income and also how much work you need to be taking on to make sure you're getting the most out of your team members. So that's the end of the task for today. I'd really like you to have a go at setting up a whiteboard template and then putting it into your project whiteboard and starting to get used to leaving the note on the ticket and using this system as your kind of note to-do list tasks. Please, if you have any questions as well, don't forget to book in for your support call. You can have as many of those as you want and need. We, of course, as well, don't hesitate to send us an email with any questions. I hope you're enjoying this so far, and I'll see you tomorrow.